Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Second bit, find the sum by suitable grouping. Now solution is 45, 23, 55, 38. Now count it, children. Total count it. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 plus 1 17. Now 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 3 now 15. 157. Now sorry, write down 157. Second problem, 24 plus 44 plus 36 plus 65. 24, 44, 36 and 65. Now count it, amma. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Now 1 is carrying over. 7, 10, 60. 169. Okay. Simple additions. So these are additions. Okay. Now write down. Third one, write it first. Okay, write down. Now one more problem. Three hundred and 21, 521, 219, 212. 10 plus 1, 10, 11, 13. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 12. 1273. Now please copy them up. Now next word activity 5, word problems. Next, activity 5. There are 2,576 boys and 1,894 girls studying in a school. Now, what is the total number of people in the school? Now write down first given information. First write given information. There are 2,576 boys and 1,894 girls studying in a school. What is the total number of people in the school? First write down that given information. Boys Boys how much amma? 2576. Now girls, the number of girls are 1894. Now, so therefore, write down law. Therefore, the total number of peoples in the school First you add this one. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. How much amma? 10. In a 10 a 0 is a keep down. 1 is a carry over. Now next again 9 plus 1 is a 10. 10 plus 7 is a 17. Now 8 plus 1 is a 9. 9 plus 5 is a 14. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. You get how much amma total? 4,470. 4,470 people. The total number of peoples in the school 4,470. Now please copy children. Now one more. Second one. Okay. Expenditure. Student. Mr. James. Mr. James family. User. 7,385. If they save 1,895 per month. What is their monthly income? Now write down first given information. How much expenditure? The total monthly expenditure vachesi. Now expenditure. How much amma? 7,385. Now savings. Savings 1,895. Therefore monthly income what is how much amma monthly income? Count it children, both adding 5 plus 5 10. Now 9 plus 1 is a 10 amma. 10 plus 8 is a 18. Now next one 8 plus 1 is a 9. 9 plus 3 is a 12. Now 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 is a 9. Total monthly income how much? 9,280. Now please copy children. Please copy it, Amma. Now homework problem. Children of it. Write down Amma homework. Do this homework and post it, Amma. If 2,345 men, 3,245 women, and 2,134 children live in a village what is the total population? What is the total population of the village? Do this problem, Mama. Do and post it. First you write a given information, how many men, women and children you write down individually, and you add the total. You get the total population of the village. Only simple you will doing addition. Men, women and children. One by one you write and add. You get total population of the village. Okay. Now thank you.